what's up guys, Yo, what's up guys, this is Sacred Star Raptor showing you how to get a perfect town in Animal Crossing New Leaf. It's actually quite difficult, but it's way easier than all the other games. Right, the first thing you need to do... Wait, why am I on the beach for? You need at least 75 flowers in your town. And you can pick them up anywhere. You can literally, and you can also breed them. So like, you breed one red and one pink carnation together, you get a white carnation. Okay, so you can also breed them together. It's better just look online instead of me telling you, because I don't know which one to breed. So I watch them online, I do. Yeah, so you need at least 75 flowers in your town. Better the beautiful town ordinance. I don't know how to say it, so you guys don't judge me. And soon you do get a perfect town, you will realize a weird flower that you've never seen before, unless you've watched it on YouTube. So if you come over here, you got this flower, a Jacob's ladder. And yeah, that's a really rare flower. And next up, you guys, we got trees. You need at least 120 trees in your town. And that's what I do have. And not only this, there's also a little tip on how to get golden roses as well. Because when you get a perfect town, you will get well, you have to wait for 16 days. If you have a perfect town for 16 days, you get a golden watering can. And what you need black flowers. And you need 2 red roses. No, I mean black roses. You need 2 red roses. Put them together and water them. Then you get a black rose. Wait for that to go dead, or start to die, just like greyish. Then with your golden watering can, water them. The next day you get a golden rose. And also, you guys, I will also tell you how to get the TNT emporium. The first thing you need is DIY. Then after, you need to spend at least 100,000 in the shop. Then you get Gracie in your town. She appears randomly by the plaza. So you need to pass 4 of her fashion checks, and I have done that. And then Jimmy or Tommy will say to you that the closing the shop. Then, like when it reopens, you get this TNT emporium. And if you wonder where the flower shop is, the flower shop. Oops, I'm not in it. Right, left. The flower shop, if you go in. I'm hungry, I'm gonna have some cereal after this. Yeah, so if you come over here, you guys, you can get, this is where the flower shop is, and you can get fertilizer, a new fruit, I forgot what it's called, and you can also get a different fruit. No, not a different fruit, that's the different fruit. You get some fertilizer, and you get something really good in your town, which is bamboo. Bamboo is really nice, but the only thing is it will literally corrupt your town. And I'm serious, I mean corrupt. Bamboo will spread everywhere, you guys. Yeah, and that's it for this video though. And please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And yeah, peace. See you guys.